Hi, my name is Anton Shulsky. I'm a social studies teacher at William J. Palmer High School in Colorado Springs, Colorado. A number of years ago, almost 20 years ago, a number of students came to me and asked to start a GSA. I had no idea what a GSA was. When they told me it was a gay-straight alliance, I said, sure. Subsequently, it took a great deal of work by the students, the parents, eventually the ACLU, as we had to sue the school district to allow the club to actually be a recognized club here in the community. What the kids really wanted was the same thing everybody wanted in those days, which was to get their picture in the yearbook, to put up posters and make announcements. It took a long, drawn-out battle, and in the end, the kids were successful. But what made it successful was really this was all about the kids. My role, I think, really was simply just to open doors for the students. From there, I become really active in becoming an ally, and I think it's really important that as an ally, I work with the students and a lot of other people within the community to give the students not only a voice, but to also give them a sense of belonging, a sense of understanding, and really a sense of community. And I think that has been the most successful thing that we've been able to accomplish here at our club, which has gone through a number of iterations. It started off as a GSA. Several years later, the students changed it to a GSTA, Gay Straight Trans Alliance. This year, we're calling it SAGA, which is the Sexuality and Gender Acceptance Club. And all of that has been really important because, again, it's about the acceptance. And so, realistically, it was the students who did a lot of the heavy lifting. The adults, we tried not to get in the way. We tried to support the kids as possible. And that's really what it's been about. And it's been really my privilege to work with those students over the years as we've continued to support them and continue to open doors for our LGBT plus students here in Colorado Springs.